It was a weekend, and John decided to go out. He wanted to watch the latest movie recommended by Netflix. He planned to go to his friend's place. Before leaving, he asked Siri about the weather. Siri replied that it would rain. So, John changed his mind. He decided to take his Tesla car for the long journey. He drove to the highway, then switched his car to autopilot mode. He sat back and relaxed. The car was driving itself. It was changing lanes, managing speed, and braking completely on its own without any human help. After a long day, John came back home. As he stepped inside, the lights turned on automatically. His smart thermostat adjusted the room temperature. He sat down and started wondering, how does his phone know the weather? How does Netflix know his taste? How does his car drive itself? He opened his laptop, did some research, and found out something amazing. Netflix, Siri, Tesla, and smart homes are all using the exact same technology, artificial intelligence. But what is AI? In simple words, artificial intelligence means making smart machines. It means making computers think and act like humans. It gives machines the power to learn from their own mistakes. It gives them a digital brain. This is not a new term. A famous computer scientist named John McCarthy coined this term back in 1956, but it took a long time to evolve. Why? Because back then, AI demanded heavy computing power and massive data servers, which old, slow computers simply couldn't handle. So, AI had to wait for decades. Today, the wait is over. AI is everywhere, controlling our world. If we look broadly, there are three main types of AI. The first type is artificial narrow intelligence, also called weak AI. This is where machines can perform only one specific task. They are highly trained for just one job and cannot do anything else. For example, Netflix recommendations, Siri, Google Maps, Face Unlock, and email filters are all narrow AI. A chess-playing computer can beat a human at chess, but it cannot drive a car. This is the AI we use every single day. Next up is artificial general intelligence, or strong AI. This refers to a machine's capacity to understand and learn any intellectual skill that a human can. It can reason, solve complex problems, and understand abstract ideas. Right now, scientists are working hard, and advanced language models like ChatGPT and Google Gemini are the stepping stones towards this phase. They can write code, create poetry, and converse like a real human. And lastly, we have artificial superintelligence. This is the ultimate future stage, where machines surpass human intelligence, becoming smarter than all of humanity. Combined, they can think faster and invent new technologies on their own. You might have seen this in sci-fi movies, where people fear machines will rule the world and humans will lose control. John was completely fascinated. He dug deeper and found that three big concepts are connected here: machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. They work together to make machines smart. Let's look at machine learning first. It is the process of automating how computers learn. They don't need explicit programming. Instead, they learn from huge amounts of data and past experiences. For example, your email spam filter uses machine learning by analyzing millions of emails to detect patterns. Medical systems also use it to find deadly diseases from thousands of X-rays, faster than human doctors. Next is deep learning, a specialized subset of machine learning. While machine learning uses simpler concepts, deep learning works with artificial neural networks, uniquely designed to imitate the human brain. This advanced technology is applied in facial recognition and self-driving cars, helping them see pedestrians and traffic lights in real time, even in the dark. Then comes natural language processing, or NLP. It is the ability of machines to read, write, and understand human language, including grammar and slang. Modern AI chatbots talk to you like a real friend because of NLP. Today, artificial
Companies are
intelligence
offering
is
very
transforming
lucrative
every
salaries.
crucial field. In
With a huge
healthcare,
shortage of
AI
skilled
identifies diseases early, helps discover new medicines, and assists in complex surgeries, saving lives every day. In education, it automates grading and creates personalized lessons for students based on their learning speed. In robotics, AI-powered robots detect obstacles in real time, instantly designing safe routes in dangerous factories. In finance and banking, AI monitors millions of transactions every second, instantly flagging fraud and predicting stock market trends.